This is giving fusion. This is giving $10,000 vibe. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Shika Beats, and in this video, I will be showing you guys how to apply the clustered lashes. However, all products used will be linked in my description down below. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to somebody who wants to look beautiful on a budget. These are the clustered lashes. However, I will leave the link down below. You can get them on Amazon. However, I have an affiliate link. So if you guys purchase, therefore, I will make a commission from these. So this is it. And I will show you guys how to install them. So this is looking. So you have from 8 to 16. From 8 to 16. 8 is the shortest length and 16 is the widest length. These type of lashes are mainly used to do a volume set. It gives you a full look, and if you needed a cassette set, you'd use an individual one. So we have 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So to give it a cat eye, which I will go in for, I will only be using 8, 12, 14, and 16, because I want the inner corners of my eyes to be very small and the outer corners to be very long. So that's the reason why I'm going with this look. This down below in my description. It is not a sponsored video, but if anybody wants to sponsor me, no problem, I will promote you guys. What I'm going to do is to brush your lashes.
You're going to go to your eyelash with the side that's stated bond. This is to stick the waist onto the lashes, and then you're going to use a fan to dry it.
I'm going to start off in the outer corner, which is this side, and I'm going to apply 16 and put them as close as you can to each other. Ooh. Yeah. Full wear. So after going with the 16, I'm going to go in with number 14. I am a certified lash technician. My name was Diamond Lash Studio. I was located in Santa Cruz and also in Montego Bay. And I'm gonna rent somebody's station for the day and do lashes. However, lashes was just not for me. Freedom lashes was just that for me. It was just not my passion. However, I'm going to talk about this in another video that I have coming up soon about my entrepreneurship journey. So if you want to hear about my failures in businesses, you can subscribe to my channel and you get to learn more about me as time goes by. And now I'm going to use my hand, or you can use a tweezer to just squeeze these lashes together so you give it a better blend.
I'm going to use the side that stated seal to seal those lashes in place, and this is to let the lashes last longer. And as you know, I'm going to dry it with my fan. And thanks for watching this video. If you like my content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and also to share my videos. Turn on that post notification bell. And it was a pleasure having you here today. Peace out.